once sang a song for elite birds that tailor that world. It's not important if other birds they gaze, they didn't hatch from golden eggs.
Wants to chirp that person by. A mangy eagle cried out piercingly from sky. How dare you with your wretched beak, such things for whole forests to chirp.
Little bird, inspired by yourself, you decently behave, alums under one shell. Beware of birdies, flocks, hubbub, you know what will be with those bugs. The eagle, most important gentleman, your birdie's gender he'll quickly change. You like $1 billion in gold? Is it far-fetched, especial to breathe, to measure out many miles on map? You'd like in lava, take a bath. You baby birds unconventionally are briskly, hardy, glamorously flying with conditioned freedom and rainbow. That success pool is not your own to talk about the life meaning. Little bird, inspired by yourself, you decently behave, alums under one shell. Beware of birdies, flocks, hubbub, you know what will be with those bugs. The eagle, most important gentleman, your birdie's gender he'll quickly change.